Lennar, the leader in active adult communities in the Sacramento region, unveils their latest community at Heritage Placer Vineyards. Nestled among the tree-studded landscape of Roseville, Heritage Placer Vineyards offers a new style of living for adults aged 55 and better. Charming homes and resort-style comforts combine in complete harmony to create a beautiful backdrop, perfect for enjoying the best years of your life. Located near the I-80 corridor, residents of Heritage Placer Vineyards benefit from convenient shopping, dining, and entertainment, as well as easy access to an array of outdoor activities, from skiing in the mountains, enjoying the wineries and state parks, and enjoying the relaxing waves on the Pacific Ocean beach. There is something for everyone, just a short trip away, and only 25 miles from downtown Sacramento and 85 miles from Lake Tahoe. You will be able to enjoy all the big city conveniences as well as year-round outdoor recreational fun in the sun and the snow. The premier active adult community of Heritage Placer Vineyards takes its shape on 400 acres and offers a gated community rich in preserved open space and has a wide variety of recreation to choose from. Residents will enjoy access to pristine planned future amenities. The Forum, a 5,000 square foot residents-only activity, fitness, and wellness center, will house a gym with resort-style, state-of-the-art exercise equipment, locker rooms, and an aerobics room. And outside, you will enjoy an enclosed pool, covered patio, and plenty of seating on the pool deck. Other outdoor amenities on the Forum's 6-acre site include lighted tennis, pickleball, and bocce ball courts. In a future phase of our community, the Palazzo Clubhouse will be designed with social and recreational possibilities to become the centerpiece of the community. These may include an additional outdoor pool and spa, a central gathering room, meeting and activity rooms, entertainment areas, and a catering kitchen and offices. Lennar, one of America's leading new home builders, offers 3 unique collections in the first phase. You'll find the perfect home at Heritage Placer Vineyards. 13 single-story plans boast open and modern floor plans, feature flex space for business or play, and were created for low-maintenance living for active adults who want to get out and enjoy the finer things in life. The Molise collection offers simplicity and comfort. These single-story homes range from 1,260 to 1,784 square feet and feature 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2 to 2.5 bathrooms. The Lazio collection offers up a little more room for those who like to entertain. These single-story homes range from 1,903 to 2,423 square feet and feature 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2 to 3 bathrooms. The Amelia collection offers our largest homes for this phase. These single-story homes range from 2,405 to 2,993 square feet and feature 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms. In the Amelia collection, we also offer room for families looking to double up in the unique Lennar Next Gen, the home within a home. This revolutionary home design features the signature attached suite with its own single-bay garage, separate entrance, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchenette. The main home features an open-concept living area with an attached patio and 3 bedrooms, including the owner's suite with a generous walk-in closet. All of these open and modern floor plans were designed to create comfort and low-maintenance living spaces and include Lennar's thoughtful design package, which promotes spacious, adaptable living for today's active adults. Features include zero-threshold roll-in showers, as well as wide doorways and hallways. And with their striking curbside appeal, combined with stylish interior finishes included at no cost through our Everything's Included program, you'll receive the greatest value and the latest in luxury, technology, and efficiency. Lennar Mortgage, a financial services subsidiary of the Lennar Corporation, has been providing homebuyers with options and opportunities for over 30 years. Through their carefully selected team, they ensure that their customers receive the guidance and support to make sound borrowing decisions. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or a seasoned home buying pro, their knowledgeable and accessible loan officers are with you every step of the home ownership process. All the homes at Heritage Placer Vineyards are equipped with state-of-the-art solar systems from Sonova. This means you'll generate the energy to help power your home right from your rooftop. For more information about our solar program, ask your new home consultant. New homes at Heritage Placer Vineyards offer the best in single-family living for active adults looking to experience an outstanding quality of life. So, when you are ready to start a new chapter in your life, on your terms, Heritage Placer Vineyards has what you're looking for. Find more information online at activeadultbylennarsac.com and at lennar.com/Sacramento or call 916-905-1615.